Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to stop email notification from LinkedIn. Firstly, make sure you have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see a profile icon. Tap over there. Again, at the bottom, you can see the option settings. You have to simply tap over there. Now under the settings category, you can see the option notifications. Tap over there. Now again, you need to tap on the option messaging. Here you can see the option messaging notifications. You can either turn it on or turn it off. Currently it's on. You can simply toggle up the button. Now you won't receive any email notification from LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.